Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Charles Schwab for brokerage investing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Charles Schwab for brokerage investing, first, visit the Charles Schwab website. Locate the Open an Account button on the home page. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. Select the type of account you wish to open, such as individual, joint, or retirement accounts. Fill out the online application with your personal information. This includes your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Provide information about your employment status and financial background. You may also need to answer questions regarding your investment experience and goals. After entering your information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, proceed to the next step of the application. Next, choose your funding method for your brokerage account. You can link an existing bank account, transfer assets from another brokerage, or deposit a check. Follow the prompts to complete the funding process. After funding is established, you will be prompted to set up your login credentials. Create a username and a strong password to secure your account. You may also be required to set up additional security measures, like two-factor authentication. Once your account is set up, you will receive a confirmation email. Log into your new account using the credentials you created. After logging in, take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform. Explore the various tools and resources available for investors. When you're ready, browse available investments such as stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. Ensure you understand the risks and fees associated with your investments. Begin placing your trades and managing your portfolio according to your investment strategy. Congratulations, you are now registered with Charles Schwab and ready to start your brokerage investing journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.